In this video, you will learn how to automate the Google Search Console with your website using make.com to get to an outcome where you can get more traffic. We will use Google Search Console and make.com in an automation process that will help you to get more reliable data that you can analyze your website's search terms and be able to optimize it based on the advice of ChatGPT. And that's what I'll be showing you in this presentation today. So all you have to do to get this blueprint that you'll soon be able to look at is to click in the description below and download the blueprint from the make.com blueprint that I'll be provided. Also, if you like what you'll be seeing, please feel free to subscribe to the channel because we are endeavoring to deliver at least 3 videos every week moving forward to teach you more about how we use AI automation to actually get better results for our websites. So I'm going to be showing you that right now, and you'll be able to make a decision as to how you will see what this automation can do for you. Okay, so it's very important that if you want the automation, you download it from the link that is provided in the description. So let me just go to the, and then I will just share that with you now so that you can make that determination as to how you can benefit from this. So looking at this blueprint, looking at this, you will see how amazing this automation is structured. It is structured in such a way that it is linked to your Google Search Console. And I want you to see it here. Right? This is linked to your Google Search Console. And from your Google Search Console, you will also link it to your spreadsheet, right? Right here, I'm using Google Sheet. And then you will also connect your email so that you can get email. And then you will also use good old ChatGPT to give you an AI analysis of what it is. So let me explain to you what is happening here with this automation and how you can benefit from this automation. Now, you might know this, but every website should be connected to the Google Search Console. And that is fundamental, that every website be connected to Google Search Console. Now, this is a new website, just about 3 months old. And I have done the analysis on this website, and I wanted to for you to see what is in the Google Search Console. So every page that you create, every blog that you wrote, it should be indexed on Google, and you have your sitemaps, you have pages. There's a lot of information here. The information that I'll be focusing on now is on the search queries that is bringing in the traffic to your website, right? So we look at your search queries and to see those that are getting clicks and those that are providing some volume of traffic to your site. You have the impressions. Impressions are people who have seen the site. And then now clicks are people who have seen it and has clicked on it. So we're also looking at the pages that are bringing in the traffic for the website. And this as countries and other things like this search appearance. Now, because this website is focused on one particular city, and its client is from that city, we don't need to look at the countries and other places like that. So we're focusing on the keywords that are bringing in the results for this website and so forth. So now all we need to do is to export it, is to click on the export tab on the top right hand corner. There you can export this data in Google Sheet, and the exported data looks like this. When you export the data will come up like this. And as you can see, it has all the key search terms that is there, the various keywords and search terms that is giving any results, the amount of impressions that it is getting, the amount of clicks that are there, and the positions. What position is it ranked on Google? You have quite a few quick wins here. As you can see, there are quite a few pages that are on the first page of Google. The first 10 results is on the first page. From 11 to 20 is on the second page, and from 21 to 30 is on the third page, and so forth and so forth. So therefore, we're gonna set up this automation that I have built will be able to give you a more minute results so that you can see what is going right and what is not going, what is on the second page up to the fifth page of Google, how you can improve the performance of that. Because, of course, ChatGPT will tell you what you need to do to get the results. So, from here, we are going to be information will be run. When once we run the automation, it provides the results here, and the results that you see here is coming from the automation. You will get this Google Sheet. All you have to do when you get this Google Sheet, you simply need to make a copy so that you'll be able to edit it and use it in your own automation. And so here we're looking at two sections for this website because it is doing pretty well. So we're looking at quick wins. These are all the keywords that are ranked on the front page of Google. And that's a lot of keyword to be on the front page of Google. Okay? And then these are the opportunities. And we got these results from the AI automation that I'm showing you now. These are the opportunities. These are on the second page of Google up to the fifth page. So then we will be able to get an overview from from the automation emailed to us. So each one of these results will be emailed to us. So let me show you how what the whole automation looks like and what we're tracking. Now, when we run this, to connect your Google, you just click on this and you'll be able to add your Google Search Console. See it? Easily link your Google Search Console once your website is already indexed in Google Search Console. If it is not, you need to do that um, ASAP so that you can get all of this data that you can use it to help you to rank higher in the Google search, right? So therefore, once you see the Google search results come out and you are able to see where you're ranking, the keyword that is ranking, the amount of impressions that the keyword is getting, it will tell you how successful your site is doing in getting this free traffic and how well your SEO is doing. And so this is very, very important stuff. So we have already linked that and we are now analyzing Desi's place, which is like a nursing home, and we are checking for the queries and the pages, and that is important. Now we're saving that, and the next thing that we're using a router, and this router allow us to send the data to various routing based on what we are looking for. And when we set up a filter, the filter accept the data that complies with the filter. So it only accepts what you have here in the filter. So I'm going to open this filter and show you what we are catering for. In this filter, we are tracking keywords, right? That is greater than 3, yes? And we'll be able to have a better results from here. Right. So as you can see, then from 3 to 10, which is on the front page of Google, that is what we are tracking. And so from here now, we just save that. And so it will only be passing information, the keywords that have that ranking from 3 to 10 onto this route. Then that will be saved on the Google's sheet here, and it will send this information on the Google Sheet. As you saw when we click on the quick wins, this is the information that it has sent over. And as you see, all of these are ranked in position 3 to 10, right? So they are all on the front page. So this is how we get this data here from this route that is here. And then it is gonna use this text aggregator, and this text aggregator here will be able to send the information, the data, to an email, and it will end up in our email box. And from that email, ChatGPT will do an analysis and also send us an email. So if I should go to my email right now, because I've done all of this beforehand, so that I can show you what the results is. These are the emails that came in. And when we're looking at, for instance, keyword opportunity, um, and weekly keyword opportunity, we are seeing that we have these reports, and this is one of the report from ChatGPT, as you can see here. Yes, and this report actually tells you the keyword that is ranked in position 11 to 50, and 11 to 50 we can come back and we can look at this filter here, and on this filter you see we are tracking keywords from position 11 to 50. And that, let me save this, and that shows you that this automation is working perfectly, and we get the results from ChatGPT. As you see here, when I showed you this results in my email, this is this email that is sent from ChatGPT. it this is the email. It is telling me about the keywords that is ranked in position 11 to 50. It also tells me some action that I can take to improve it, improve content, the technical SEO, how to make sure we have meet the description and good title tags. Okay, then build quality backlinks. All of these things are necessary so that we can get these keywords move up to the front page of Google. Invest in some PPC campaign and make sure that the schema is up to date. And these are very good information coming from ChatGPT. And as you can see, it all happens because of this automation that we have here in 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 in, in make.com. Now, if you to get this automation, as I tell you, you need to click on this link, and from this link, you just need to import, click on import. Wherever you save the automation, you just identify the file and you click save, and voila, it will come out to look exactly like this. And all you have to do is connect your Google search console, as I told you, and you need to connect you all of connect your Google Sheet, right? And this is very easy to connect. When you click on it, if it's not connected, you just click add, and it opens so that you could just log into your Google account and it will connect it for you easily. So that's how easy it is to connect. Nothing technical to do. And you connect your Google Sheet, the one that I download for you, the one that I provided for you that you can download, and you're in. And with your chat GPT, you go to openai.com, you open an account, and you create an API. And then when you click on your chat GPT, you click add, and you will be asked to add your API key here. And once you put in your API key, you'll be able to make that link and you are connected. So as you can see, very, very simple to connect, right? Very, very simple to connect. And once you connect it, then you will be in good stead. So I just want you to understand that it might look complex, but it is not. It's simple. And it gives you the results that you would never normally have. And you can get this report. This report can run weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. What I do, I run it every month because Google don't show so much variation and in any short notice. So you need to. I run this every month and it send the information to to my email that I can analyze it for clients. So this automation is there for you, and um, uh, it will take about 81 points to run it. I am gonna be showing you what it is. So it takes about 81 points. When you register with Make on a free account, you'll be able to get 1,000 points that you can, each time you do a run. This particular one, I know for a fact, it takes 81 points to run. And so it keeps deducting that per month. Now, I have left a link for make.com so that you can get your own access to make.com using that link. You will get 30 days on the pro plan. The pro plan costs about $18 per month, and you will get 30 days free. You can use that. You will get 10,000 points that you can use, and you can practice all your automation and to see how it can help you in your business. So this is the power of using this. So when we run it, it gives us all of these results that you're seeing here, right? All of these results that you're seeing here. And it also send the email, as I stated before, it send these emails. And when you look at quick wins, it tells you all the keywords that is ranked on the front page of Google. Um, Let me see what we got in the opportunity. Quick wins report. It gave us, this is the report coming from ChatGPT too. I have to make sure that this is formatted much better so that it can lay out the way it is. And of course, it will also pick up everything that we need. This is the next report coming from ChatGPT so that you can see how your website is doing without. Can you imagine when if you're managing many clients account, how tedious this would be to be going into searching and doing this. With this automation, everything is set to you very, very easily, and the results is forthcoming. So if I should, let me check and see what my organization point is. Let me save this first and get out. So when you come to make for the first time, right? When you come to make for the first time, this is one of my account here. Um, See, I have 196 points leave, and this is one of the free account. This is not my paid account, right? This is one of the free account that I'm using for these examples because I have several scenarios that I run from this account so that I can test a whole lot of stuff and I can create videos showing you guys what to do and how to do it. So the one that I'm looking at right now, this is the one, the Google Search Console, right? And as I said, you have access, you have the blueprint that I have provided, and it has run successfully, as you see. I ran it earlier today, and it ran successfully several times for the day, right? So that's the results of using this automation. So when you get this automation, all you need to do from here is after you connect it up is click run once, and once you click run once you will see it populate all the data, and it will send the data over to these Google Sheets that you have. Okay, so just follow the video, follow the instructions, and you will have everything to your disposal. So once again, I hope you like this video, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, follow the instructions step by step, and you will end up with the same results that I have shown you. So see you on the next video.